Good morning, everyone. We have just woken up to the most magical view ever, and it has been like one of the biggest discoveries of camping company till now. And it was slightly cold outside, and we were all cozied up inside the tent, so we didn't feel much cold, but we had all the gears to keep us warm. Had sleeping bags. I'm still inside the tent, and you can see the view around me. But I'll show you guys. I'll give you a tour of the campsite later. Right now we are just waiting up for the sun to dry our tent and equipment so that we can wrap up and head towards Nongriat.
Say hello.
Hi.
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 What's your name?
Sankar. Well, listen.
What is this for?
White.
Wild
White. Grass.
grass. Nice. Go.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Guwahati. Yeah. Chalo.